Hi dear children, welcome to our grade 6 GK. I hope you all are fine and safe. Right children? Shall we start our topic? So our topic is World Sports Star. Power, focus, technique and most importantly, the will of the heart are the qualities that make a sports champion. History had a honor of witnessing the work of these legendary sports personalities. So children, we already seen some of the sports stars in our last class, isn't it? So, this class, let's get to know about some other great sports stars. Okay, have you all ready? The first person, Carl Lewis. Carl Lewis is a former American track and field athlete known for his many world records in sprinting and long jump. Carl Lewis was born on July 1st, 1961 in USA, and he began competing in the long jump at the age of 13. His career spanned from 1979 to 1996. During the span of his career, he won 10 Olympic medals, 10 World Champion medals. His 65 consecutive victories in the long jump over the year is considered as one of the undefeated streaks, and he was ranking world number 1 during the year. Crowning his achievements, he has been named Olympian of the Century by Sports Illustrated magazine. He set a world record in 100-meter and 200-meter running and also in long jump and 400 and 800 relay. He won 4 Olympic gold medals in the same track and field events. This is considered as one of the greatest achievements of Carl Lewis. He retired from the competition in the year 1997. So after his retirement, Lewis became an actor in a number of films and also television series. He was also active in various charities and foundations to focus on promoting fitness. Some of the important award and honors of Carl Lewis are World Athlete of the Century, and also he was awarded Sportsman of the Century in 1999 and Honor Olympian of the Century and also Athlete of the Year in 1982, 83 and 84. Next person, Sir Donald Bradman. Sir Donald Bradman was born on 27 August 1908 in Australia, and he is fondly addressed as the Don and was an Australian cricketer who is considered the greatest test batsman of all time. He holds a record test batting average of 99.94, which is a tremendous achievement in cricket. So Broadman started his Test cricket career at the age of 20. His debut matches against England in Brisbane in the year 1928. During his 20 years cricket career, he achieved many things. So in Test cricket, he played 52 Test matches and he played 234 first class cricket. So his score in Test matches 6,996 with batting average 99.94, and in first class cricket he scored 28,067 runs and batting average 95.14. So highest score in the Test cricket is 334, while the highest score in the first class cricket is 452. This is undefeated achievements of Broadman. So Broadman was widely prized as a hero of the sports cricket because of his greatest scoring achievements in Test cricket. So some of the important awards and honors of Donald Bradman is he was awarded Greatest Player of the 20th Century and ICICI's Hall of Fame Award in 2009, and and to honor his achievements, Australian government released stamps while he was alive and also released golden currency worth $5. So he retired in the year 1949 and was knighted in the same year. So the next person, P.T. Sampras. P.T. Sampras is an former American tennis player who is considered as the greatest male tennis player of all time. He was born on August 12, 1971. He started his professional career at the age of 16 in 1988 and ended in the year 2002. During his 14 years career, he won 14 Grand Slam titles with a record of 8 consecutive wins, and also he won 7 Wimbledon titles and 64 top level singles titles. And he reached world number 1 position for 6 consecutive years. That means from 1993 to 1998, he held the world number 1 position in tennis. So P.T. Sampras was remembered for his excellent techniques and dominant playing style. So for his precise and powerful service earned him the nickname Pistol PT. So awards and honors of Peter Sampras are: he was awarded Sportsman of the Year in 1997, an Individual Athletic Award for the Man of the Year in 2000, and International Tennis Hall of Fame in 2007. So the next person, Michael Phillips. Michael Phillips is an American swimmer known for his extraordinary Olympic achievements. He was born on June 30, 1985. He holds the record for swimming the most number of Olympic gold medals with a total of 22 medals. He is considered to be the greatest swimmer of all time and fondly nicknamed the Flying Fish. The young Phillips learned swimming at the age of 7, so totally he played 5 Olympic matches. So his first Olympic was in the year 2000 at the age of 15, and he became the youngest player in the Summer Olympic. But he didn't win any medals in his debut but learned experience. So totally he played 5 Olympics. That means in 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012 and 2016. So in his total career, he won 23 gold, 3 silvers and 2 bronze. And also Phillips hold 26 Guinness World Record. So in 2016, he announced his retirement. So children, this class we have seen about the sports stars Carl Lewis, Sir Donald Bradman, P.T. Sampras and Michael Phillips. So please note your homeworks. So I gave the worksheet for Carl Lewis. You just fill the worksheet and send it in Google Classroom. Okay. So write about Carl Lewis achievements. So children, please avoid your mobile phone, laptop, desktop or any other gadgets item after session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits and vegetables. Also, stay home, stay safe. We will meet in new session. Bye. Thank you.